I think I'm feeling hygge right now.
It's hygge.
Hygge.
Not hygge. It's hygge, alright? Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Hi there folks, welcome back to another video. Today we are coming to you, we're coming to you from Santa Barbara. So we got up kind of early because we are heading to Solvang. It's a town north of LA and we're in Santa Barbara right now. We're in the parking lot of a shopping center, charging our Tesla right now because it couldn't make it the whole way. So we're charging it right now, waiting for it. It should be like 45 minutes or so. But the weather was kind of interesting. It was like raining, and then it was clear, and then raining again. Clear, it was on and off. It was interesting. I was kind of surprised. But anyway, so we're waiting for the Tesla to charge to 100%, and after that we're gonna head to Solvang and spend the day there. It's a really cute town. It's been on my list for quite a while, and can't wait to show you guys our experience at Solvang.
We made it to Solvang. This is really a different feeling. Like it really felt like in a different country.
Yeah, very like Danish, huh?
Yeah, and it's approaching lunchtime. We're getting hungry, so we're gonna find something to eat.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look at the different sausages. International sausage.
Yes. Yeah. Can we get the charcuterie for 2?
Okay.
And then the sampler.
Gotcha.
Pick 3. We'll take the bratwurst. We'll do the kielbasa also. Should we do the hot Italian?
Hot Italian,
Alright, we'll do
yeah.
the hot Italian as well then. So we're here at Copenhagen Sausage Garden, and we got the sampler. This is the hot Italian, the bratwurst, and the kielbasa. Oh, it's really good. It smells good too.
And the
then we also got a
charcuterie board
yeah.
looks super good. The bread looks a little oily. I wonder if they put like butter on it already.
Or like extra virgin olive oil or something, but it looks pretty. It's a nice spread.
This looks really good.
Yeah, it's a nice spread.
Yeah. So this is also an outdoor eating. So the weather turns out to be nice, surprisingly, for our trip. And it's just easier for waffle as well. So we're really pleased. And it smells really good.
Yep. So the charcuterie board ended up being very average at best. We probably should have gotten the fries or something else. But the real reason why we came was for the sausages anyway. Like we said, we got the bratwurst, the hot Italian, and the kielbasa. All were really good and we would definitely recommend. There were also a ton of different and unique condiments and sauces that you can try as well. We just finished lunch at the sausage house.
It was delicious.
Really good.
Yeah.
Now, we don't really have any plans.
Oh, good boy.
Boy waffle. Now we don't really have any plans. We're just gonna walk around this Solvang, this town, and see what it offers.
Yeah, we don't really have like a destination to go, but I felt like we kind of lucked out that we didn't came on a weekend. I could see that there's like a lot of people on the weekend here.
Yeah.
There are so many cute stores. They're so like, I don't know. It just makes me so happy.
And like a lot of like
they're like gift shops.
And like a lot of the language and like and stuff it's all in like Danish, I think.
Yeah, it's just like it's not. I don't know. It's just not like Macy's, you know.
Macy's. All right. All right. So Dora and her mom, they're doing a little shopping right now. So it's just me and Waffle, just the boys. We're just probably gonna walk around the town and see what else it kind of has to offer. But so far, it's actually really cool. You really get a sense of kind of like the Danish culture. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of like bakeries and cafes, just food related things. and I kind of want to try some of these things because they look really good. They smell great. Definitely one of the cuter small towns that we've been to.
Yeah, it really has its own characters. Has its own attitudes too.
Yeah.
There's just so much bakeries here. There are like bakeries, cookies, fudge, and restaurants. It's really, really cute. And then the view is like
right. The surrounding area is very scenic.
Yeah.
Well, during Christmas, Solvang is like one of the top.
Christmas town.
Yeah, it's it's like one of those top Christmas towns.
I could see that.
Right?
Yeah.
I can see
but
it, like,
they
really
won't have
coming
snow, so.
Yeah, that's true.
I think Quebec City still wings for that.
Oh, that's true. But we've never been here, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe they like have fake snow or something.
Fake snow. Oh, that's tempting.
All these shops are so cute.
I know. And they're not too pricey either.
No, they're pretty.
They're usually like affordable, not like really rip off. Oh, look at that! It's so cute. Rabbit.
All
the Nordic Arc of Happy.
They're all like very. Apparently, they're like the happiest.
Seriousness and pleasure should thrive together. Okay. Oh wait, what? Cookies. This is a recipe.
Cookies make me happy.
I need this book.
Developing
Way too stressful lately. Hygiene in
Hygie?
Oh, hygie, not hygiene.
The little book of Hygie.
What's hygie?
Danish secrets to happy living.
Is that a hygie?
I guess
Is that called hygie?
Hygie?
Wow, it's New York Times bestseller.
Hygie is the cornerstone of their way of life. Huga.
Like the
Huga.
Yeah, I was gonna say like.
All right, so definitely not Hygie.
Not like hygie.
Translates to a sense of comfort, togetherness, and well-being. You know Huga when you feel it. Oh, okay.
I think I'm feeling hygie right now.
It's Huga.
Huga.
Not Hygie. It's Huga, all right? Get it correct.
Okay, it's pronounced huga,
Yeah.
but it seems like a hygie.
It's Huga.
Oh, okay.
Do you feel Huga? Or do you feel,
Huga?
or do you feel Hygie?
I feel hygie.
Well, all right.
This has all the hearts, Christmas Eve dessert. Are you serious?
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, we should get this for Mom. Christmas Eve dessert.
Okay.
Oh,
Pretty
look
wild.
at that. The doggy one. Waffle, are you there? I don't see you there.
Because he's over here.
over here.
Waffle. Alright, so it's almost like 5, it's 4:30 actually, and we're gonna continue walking around. Maybe we're gonna grab some dinner here. We're not exactly sure. There's still a lot for us to see, I think. We kind of underestimated everything here in Solvang. We're going into almost every single store, and it's actually a really cool town. We're very impressed. Definitely one of the better like small towns that we've been to. Yeah, so we're gonna continue checking out some of the other shops and probably decide on the dinner or something like that. So let's go. So there's a few wine tastings here too, huh? And like vineyards.
Visitors information.
Maybe we should check that out first.
Wait, is this a second windmill?
Oh, there's another windmill? Jesus Christ, this place is huge. A lot bigger than we expected.
We thought it's just gonna be like one strip of it. Yeah.
Yeah, but like there's actually like 2 bigger streets and then like so many like other smaller streets.
Yeah.
And they're all filled with like stores and restaurants.
No, I like this one.
Oh, that was cute. That's that one.
Okay.
I like that one.
So this one. It's very confusing. It's windmill, but it's in California.
There's so many like so small, cute stores.
Yeah, like little square plaza.
Yeah.
It just looks so cute.
So it's about 5:30-ish. We're gonna get some dinner now. We're gonna head to the Solvang Brewing Company.
Brewing Company.
Yeah.
I think it's like a pretty touristy spot, and maybe because it's like a Thursday or Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
And there's like
No one here.
no one here. Yeah. Okay, this beer is definitely very special. You got like tahini. It's almost like a cocktail
A little bit,
with
yeah.
a beer.
Right? And I wonder how like that spice will taste.
Oh wow. Oh, it's so different.
Yeah?
Almost tastes like a Bloody Mary,
Oh, really?
but has a beer taste to it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it definitely tastes like celery too. But it's interesting.
I don't know if I would order it again. So you got the fish and chip. This fish looks like youtiao. Oh,
Wow, it's crispy.
okay, actually pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. You wanna try? Oh, this is really good.
Whoa.
That was a surprise.
Got the sausage torpedo, the broad sausage torpedo. It looks really good too. I think there's like horseradish or something, cheese, and the sausage. Oh, it's a little sweet, savory. Really good. Highly recommended. All right, so that ends our day here at Solvang, and it was a very, very good day.
Yeah, I'm a little bit surprised on how big this town is. And it's just, everything is so pretty. There's like, I think maybe it's because this time of the year, there's lots of flowers. The city's so clean.
Yeah, I think it's also
everyone's
because
so friendly too.
Yeah,
It's almost like it has its own thing. You don't think about the real world, I guess.
it's just like a little pocket inside California. You don't think you're in California, you know. It just seems like you're taken to another world. We literally spent the whole day here, and we probably could have spent more time here.
I could feel the weekends are a little bit more
really popular.
fun, and maybe there's more events in the plazas or the squares. So I think this is definitely worth the trip.
Oh, absolutely.
It's about 2 hours north of LA.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a perfect like weekend trip. And I saw like there was just, like some cute hotels and stuff that I was thinking like, okay, I think if we lived in LA, we could probably do like a weekend trip just like a stay weekend or like a few days, and spend some time here.
Right. Well, I think one of the disappointing thing that we didn't do is we didn't get one of the bakeries.
Yeah, there was a few bakeries we probably should have gotten before we actually explored the town. We didn't think that the town was as big as we imagined. We really underestimated.
Yeah, we didn't know what to expect when coming here because we didn't do a lot of research.
Yeah, we didn't do much research. But yeah, it's definitely fun. We would highly recommend it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every week.
See you next week. Bye.